Why epoxy used in pharmaceutical industry? Epoxy is used in the pharmaceutical industry for flooring purposes. Epoxy flooring provides a seamless, non-porous surface that is easy to clean and disinfect. The floor coatings of companies manufacturing medicinal drugs should manage to resist most oils, acids, and solvents. Also, the coating must be resistant to abrasion and impact since the plant's floors could easily be exposed to heavy traffic from hefty tools and machinery. Epoxy flooring is basically deposition of an industrial epoxy coating on the floor at least 2 mm thick. The result obtained is so strong and durable that it finds industrial application, especially in pharmaceuticals. Epoxy floors for pharmaceuticals are always formulated without any solvent. With low/no VOC options, they can minimize hazards in the workplace. Also, it is an environmentally friendly/green floor that is energy efficient and can reduce waste during installation.